Hi, this is James Shug with Westpac London's end of day report for Thursday, December the 6th. Well, we had interest rate decisions from the European Central Bank and the Bank of England today, both on hold. The European Central Bank acknowledged that Europe is in the middle of a multi-year recession with revised staff forecasts, and although there was no real hint, certainly the door was still kind of left open for possible further easing by the ECB. No statement from the Bank of England, as is usually the case when they don't move. On the data front, the latest revised European GDP numbers confirmed that we've already had 4 consecutive quarters of contraction, although the first quarter of this year was only a slight contraction and so rounded up to flat. But nevertheless, it was a decline in output. So the recession in Europe is already, assuming the current quarter is also negative, is already as long as the 2008-2009 recession, although not as deep. The German factory orders, they jumped 4% in October, a rare positive number there. The UK trade deficit widened on lower exports and higher imports. Canadian data was soft. The IVY PMI fell for the 4th month running to its lowest reading since mid-2011, and weekly unemployment insurance claims in the US, they were down 25,000 as the superstorm impact finally seems to have abated in that data series. So that was the real sort of data flow today. No real development on the fiscal cliff front yet, and that's really one of the reasons why the Dow, as I speak, at 6:30 in London is unchanged. It's at 13,035. European markets did manage to gain. There is a sense, I think, that Republicans are kind of prepared to negotiate a bit, and that seemed to have supported the European markets, with the London market up 0.2%, the French market up 1/3, Germany up 1%, Spain up 1/3%, but Italy down 0.75%, with Berlusconi poking his head back into politics there, and the administrative government of Monti looking like it might be breaking down soon. So political shenanigans in Italy behind that market's decline. On commodity markets today, oil down 2.2% at $85.98 a barrel. Copper's down 1.2%. Gold is exactly on $1,700 an ounce. That's up about 1/3%. Now the Aussie dollar hit 1.05 against the US dollar briefly today, but it's at 1.048 at the moment against the US dollar. Been a busy week for Aussie data. We had GDP, we've had jobs, we've got trade figures coming up today. And then of course the official payrolls or jobs report to look forward to Friday in the US. That's my tomorrow, your latest tonight, if you're watching in Australia. Okay, that's it for now. I've got a dash. I'll speak to you tomorrow.